You shouldn't be clueless of the car you are driving. Know your car, and save on repair cost. Fix and upgrade your car parts. Drive with Clue. Lifters, valve lifters. 1. Car lifters are small engine components that transfer motion from the camshaft to the valves so they open and close properly. 2. Their primary role is to convert the camshaft's rotating motion into up and down movement for the valve system. 3. Lifters are positioned between the camshaft and the pushrods in overhead valve (OHV) engines. 4. Most modern cars use hydraulic lifters, which automatically adjust valve clearance using engine oil pressure. 5. Some high-performance or older engines use solid lifters that require periodic manual adjustment. 6. Lifters are typically made from hardened steel or cast iron to handle constant pressure and wear. 7. Clean engine oil is essential for lifter operation. Dirty or low oil can cause lifter noise or failure. 8. A ticking or tapping sound from the engine is often a sign of worn, stuck, or failing lifters. 9. Impact on performance. Faulty lifters can cause poor acceleration, misfires, rough idling, and reduced fuel efficiency. 10. Maintenance importance. Regular oil changes help extend lifter life and maintain smooth, quiet engine operation. Rocker arms. 1. Rocker arms are engine components that transfer motion from the camshaft, or pushrods, to the valves. 2. Their main role is to pivot and push the valves open and closed at the correct time. 3. Rocker arms are typically mounted on the cylinder head above the valves. 4. One end of the rocker arm is pushed by a pushrod or camshaft, while the other end presses down on the valve stem. 5. Common types include stamped steel, roller rocker arms, and shaft-mounted rocker arms. 6. Roller rockers reduce friction by using a small roller tip, improving efficiency and performance. 7. Rocker arms are usually made from steel, aluminum, or alloy materials for strength and durability. 8. They rely on engine oil for lubrication to reduce wear and prevent overheating. 9. Worn rocker arms can cause ticking noises, valve misfires, reduced power, or engine damage. 10. Properly functioning rocker arms ensure accurate valve timing, smooth engine operation, and better fuel efficiency. Oil pan. 1. The oil pan is a metal container attached to the bottom of the engine that holds the engine oil. 2. Its main job is to store oil and supply it to the oil pump for engine lubrication. 3. The oil pan is mounted underneath the engine block, forming the lowest part of the engine. 4. Oil pans are commonly made from stamped steel, aluminum, or cast alloy materials. 5. The size of the oil pan determines how much engine oil the engine can hold. 6. As oil sits in the pan, heat dissipates into the surrounding air, helping cool the oil. 7. The oil pan includes a drain plug, allowing old oil to be easily drained during oil changes. 8. An oil pan gasket seals the pan to the engine block to prevent oil leaks. 9. Oil pans can crack, dent, or leak due to road debris, corrosion, or improper installation. 10. Keeping the oil pan leak-free ensures proper oil levels, preventing engine damage and overheating.